So exciting! What the hell did he do with it?
Rowan, are you excited?
Well, he's probably trying to carry it.
Okay,
Okay, bring it in.
bring it. Bring it on.
You hate spread.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
It's so tiny. I can't believe it fits in that box.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, I'm gonna start crying.
I'm crying. I'm crying.
You can let her go now.
Oh my
She's
God!
gotta
What
go.
are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Was that a good surprise, Rebecca?
Yay!
Yay!